They've almost disappeared.
Yeah, they're gone. They're gone. So we don't have any severe weather out there right now. That is great news. We have a lot of heavy rain. I've had 0 reports of like high water rescues or anything like that. I start to become concerned about that as we get later in the week, because today's Thursday. What's today? Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I don't have a whole lot of rain tomorrow, but Friday it's going to be wet. You see all the lightning. Saturday it's going to be wet. Sunday it's going to be wet. We even have rain on Monday. So I'm starting to get concerned about some flash flooding, rescues, and bad stuff happening as we get into the weekend. Hopefully the rain is kind of spread out enough where that doesn't take place, but we'll wait and see. And that does happen here. This is part of the flash flood capital, not only of Texas, but of the United States. And it runs from Dallas-Fort Worth all the way down to Del Rio. So we're right here in the heart of it. So is Austin, San Antonio is part of it too. And that's why we have that flood watch in effect right now. It's the I-35 corridor. That does include the Dallas-Fort Worth area. That goes through tomorrow morning for more heavy rain. Again, nothing severe. There's no tornadoes. There's no baseball-size hail. There's no damaging winds tonight. There's just a lot of rain, and it's lined up right on the Dallas County line, all across Collin County, Denton County seeing the rain as well. The heaviest of the heavy right now is from South Lake to Bedford to Arlington down to Mansfield. And right now you're dry in Ellis County. Midlothian starting to see maybe a couple of sprinkles. Alvarado, some heavy rain. Now we have a flash flood warning that's been issued for Bosque and Hamilton County. That's until 1:15 in the morning. So here's Hamilton. There's Bosque, so you're getting in on it. Meridian and also Hamilton, the city of Hamilton itself, not only just the county. There's the rain. There's the radar at midnight. I mentioned by 3 o'clock in the morning, all the activity starts to shift. The heaviest of the heavy shifts to the east and southeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. There's 3 a.m. Here's 7, 8 a.m. You can see the heaviest of the heavy is east of Dallas. We still have clouds and drizzle and spotty rain showers in the Metroplex tomorrow morning. Some rain will fall for the morning commute. During the day tomorrow, 30–40% of us pick up rain. Let's say 40% in the morning and about 20 to 30% in the afternoon. There's my Friday, Saturday, and Sunday rain coverage, and even some rain as we head into the day on Monday. So how much more? Through Monday, there we are. I mean, now this bullseye of 2 to 5 inches could shift more to the east. It could shift more to the west. But right now, we're looking at a lot of rain over the next several days. That's why I'm talking about the cumulative effect of the potential for some flash flooding, some fairly widespread flash flooding as we head through the next 48 to 72 hours. So we'll certainly keep an eye on that and keep you updated. But the above normal, wasn't it just humid today? It really was. I mean, not like a summertime humid, but for this time of year, fairly humid weather. We're above normal with our temps Thursday, Friday, and the same deal on Saturday. Cooler than normal on Sunday, a high temp of 60 as a cold front moves through, causing the cold front comes through Saturday night, kind of lingers across the area. You start to feel that colder air filter in on Sunday. Look at the high on Monday, 51 degrees. 51 degrees. So we're going to be about 25 degrees cooler than normal on Monday. So right now it's 68 at DFW, 78 down in Austin, 82 down in the Valley in Brownsville, 62 up in Amarillo. Here's the cold air. It's 23 in Casper, 16 in Billings. That's that cold front. Look at the cold air that we have in Edmonton and also in Calgary. 10 and 9. Well, at least it's above zero. They have that going for them. We have the rain around tonight. 68 for the low. It's widespread tonight. Remember the rain tomorrow. A little more likely in the morning, but spotty during the afternoon. Tomorrow's high is 80. The next 14 days, I have rain in the forecast as we head through Monday. Look at Monday's high, 51. Tuesday, it's Halloween, 55, the high on Tuesday, and then Wednesday, 56. So the dry weather returns Tuesday and Wednesday, and then the remainder of that 14-day forecast, 60s on Thursday and Friday, and then 70s the following weekend, and the following weekend, not this one, the next one. Daylight saving time ends and standard time begins, so set your clocks back 1 hour, change the batteries in the smoke detectors and the carbon monoxide detectors. And a little rain the end of that weekend, and also Monday of the following day on November 6th. There we go.